the ongoing LPG crisis in the country, where there is growing anxiety on the street as people line up for hours to refill their LPG cylinders with long queues reflecting the deepening uncertainty over supplies. Men, women and elderly residents can be seen waiting patiently for their turn. Many holding empty cylinders, hoping the refill stock does not run out before they reach the counter. Several people in the queue say that they have been standing here since morning. Some told us that they haven't even eaten yet, worried about how they will manage meals at home if they fail to get their cylinder today. There is a clear sense of panic among residents as the shortage forces families to spend hours outside distribution centers just to secure a basic cooking fuel refill. In another line nearby, only women are waiting. Many of them say that they have already spent 2 to 3 hours standing in the queue, hoping that they will finally be able to take a filled cylinder back home. For many households, this is no longer just about a refill. It's about managing daily meals and keeping the kitchen running. More on this report from my colleague.
Well, amid the growing uncertainty over the availability of LPG in the national capital and all over India, visuals like this has become increasingly common. What you can see is anxious face, lots of chaos and confusion. People are here with empty cylinders and they are waiting for their turn so that they can get a cylinder or refill what they have brought all the way from their home. We can also see that police forces has been deployed here because the condition here is too much chaos and panic stricken. People are here all over. They have gathered in huge numbers so that they could get LPG cylinder and also they could cook meal in their house. Let's listen in from some people here. Ma'am, क्या नाम है आपका?
अंजू।
कितने देर से आप लाइन में खड़ी हैं?
हम तो सुबह से ही लगे हुए हैं।
सुबह से। रजिस्ट्रेशन आपका हो चुका है?
अभी नहीं हुआ, 10 बजे तक से लगे हुए हैं।
आप कितने देर से लाइन में खड़े हैं?
वो 2 घंटा हो गया।
अच्छा, अभी सिलेंडर आपका खत्म हो चुका है घर पे?
हाँ, घर पे खत्म हो गया था।
क्या कुछ परेशानियों का सामना करना पड़ रहा है?
पुलिस ने अभी तक गैस नहीं मिला, कल आया था, कल बंद था, आज आया।
मैम, कितने देर से आप यहाँ पर हैं?
मैम 3 घंटा हो गया।
सिलेंडर खत्म है अभी घर में?
जी, घर पे ख़त्म है। चाय के लिए भी हम तरस जा रहे हैं, क्या करें। कल भी आई बंद था, परसों भी बंद था, 7 तारीख को आई तभी पर्ची नहीं दिए। कितने चक्कर लगा दिए हमने।
अच्छा, आप यहाँ पर आ रहे हैं तो आपसे क्या कुछ कहा जा रहा है?
बंद था, ये ऑफिस ही बंद कर रखे हैं। हाँ जी,
सरकार तो कह रही है कि कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
देखिए देखिए, आप खुद ही देख लो ना, फिर कितनी दिक्कत हो रही है, मारा मारी हो रहा है, देख रही है ना। फिर
आप कितने देर से लाइन में?
हम तो 10:30 बजे से खड़े हैं यार, 4 दिन हो गए आते।
4 तारीख ऑनलाइन बुक
और 2 बंदे खड़े हैं।
मैम, घर में सिलेंडर अभी खत्म हो चुका है?
खत्म हो चुका। मैं काम करती हूँ, आदमी है नहीं, अब काम पर से आई हूँ सिलेंडर लेने। कमला मार्केट में काम करती हूँ, बहुत परेशान है। क्या तो रही हूँ, अब बताओ सिलेंडर लेने जाओ, काम का काम छूट रहा है, और काम वाले कोई वो नहीं करता, कुछ भी करो। बहुत टेंशन में, क्या करें। ब्लैक से 3,500 का दे रहे, सिलेंडर ही नहीं मिल रहा। अब आज मैं नई दिल्ली से यहाँ आई हूँ सिलेंडर लेने।
आप कितने समय से यहाँ पर खड़े हैं?
मुझे 2 घंटे हो गए जी।
कितने समय से खड़े हैं?
2 घंटे हो गए, 2 घंटे।
2 घंटे से। अच्छा, आज पहले दिन आए आप?
मैं हाँ अभी आया हूँ।
सिलेंडर खत्म हो चुका है?
नहीं, रखा हुआ है भी, लेकिन ख़त्म हो जाएगा। एडवांस में लेने के लिए आया हूँ मैं।
अच्छा, सरकार कह रही है एक तरफ कि कोई भी परेशानियों का सामना नहीं करना पड़ रहा है, सिलेंडर लोगों को पहुँच रहा है, लेकिन ये स्थिति है।
मेरी भीड़ परेशानी हो तो रही है, कैसे परेशानी नहीं हो रही।
So as far as I can see here, people are standing in huge numbers. Lots of people have gathered here and they are here so that they could refill their cylinder and get something to cook as well. Also the line is from here this side, and also as far as I can see, there are people who have gathered here to anyhow manage to get their cylinder refilled. However, uncertainty still is there and people are trying to manage up in this chaos and panic-stricken situation.
And now, amid the ongoing LPG crisis, concerns are mounting among restaurants and households in Bengaluru. Restaurant owners are worried that the situation could worsen in the coming days. The restaurant has already stopped preparing Chinese and North Indian dishes and has brought it an electric dosa maker as a backup. Here's a ground report by my colleague Vajula. Have a look.
Bengaluru city is facing another crisis, and this time it's not traffic, it's the LPG gas cylinder. We are right now here at Bangalore Tindies. It is a chain of restaurants where you get dishes like idli, vada, dosa, and today you're seeing they're facing a huge crisis because of the LPG cylinders. Now let me show you the previous menu that they used to have. This is the things that they used to serve in this particular outlet that we are at, and now it has been cut short to tea, coffee, idli vada, butter plain dosa, butter masala dosa, butter pudi masala dosa, masala vada and buttermilk. So you can clearly see that close to 50% of their menu has been slashed, and this is not just one restaurant, but various restaurants across the city are facing the same situation. I am joined in by Rahul Lunawat. He is the owner of this particular place. Rahul, there's this LPG crisis that the city has been facing. You're one of the restaurant owners who have a chain of these restaurants. How difficult is the situation, if you can tell us?
See, of course, it's very difficult because everything runs on LPG. There's nothing that which runs on electricity. As of now, with all other restaurants, all new age restaurants right now who are opening up, planning to shift to electricity. Why? Because that if not today, tomorrow again you're going to face the same issue. You don't know what's going to happen throughout the world. Some other corner of the world, we are facing an issue. I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. So I think people are going to shift to electric equipments, which eventually is going to be a cost burden to the restaurant owners as well as the customers. So it's going to be a cost structure.
Why? Because
change.
you're going to see a fluctuation in electric prices.
Yeah, because your equipments are expensive. Now your electricity is going to go high. Eventually the burden is going to come on the customers itself.
So you're expecting that in the coming days you might see hike in all these idli prices, vada prices and everything.
100%. How can we bear for, a restaurant owner can just bear for a certain amount of time, but eventually he has to pass it on to the customers. So, we can't take that burden throughout, right? Temporary situation we understand, a week or two we understand, we can take that burden. But post that we have to put the burden to the customers.
Okay, right now this is one eatery where we are at. How many such eateries you have, and what is the stock that you have, and how difficult it is going to be for the coming days, and for how long are your stocks left for?
See, right now we have stock of 1 day now, today. So we have 6 to 7 outlets. So we have 3 brands. We have 4 in Jayanagar, we have Bangalore Cafe on Shantinagar, and 3 to 4 outlets of Bangalore 10 days right now. Now we have stock left for 1 day. So now we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. So we just, trying to channel out and talk to all of our connections. And then now there's a black market also going on. People are selling up cylinders in 5,000, 6,000 rupees, which we cannot afford doing that.
Gas's problem is that because of that, prices is increasing, and commercial gas and PGs also we are suffering, and PG owners also thinking more like that will be happening.
For customer it will be very difficult. Day by day, even from yesterday, it is very low menu what they're providing due to this LPG issue. Even few more restaurants, the rates are very high. So they made it as a double. If you ask for that, they're saying the cylinder cost is more, so the rates are being increased. So in coming days, we don't know whether they'll be opening the hotels or not.
मैं तो वो बुकिंग ही नहीं हो रहा है, गैस तो वो बुक कर रहे हैं 2 दिन से, लेकिन बुकिंग नहीं हो रहा है, उठा ही नहीं रहे, वो फोन ही नहीं उठा रहे वो।
अच्छा।
अभी बोले हैं वो जो रिपेयरिंग करता है ना, मुझको बोला तो 2 दिन के बाद आके ऑफिस में आके बात करो करके बोला है।
But for now the situation is grim. Let's hope in the coming days, like Kamalji said, in the next 5 days things might change, and we hope that happens because otherwise the lower strata of the society will be affected very badly.
And meanwhile, in Worli, the ration distribution department has busted a major gas cylinder black marketing racket. Acting on a tip-off, officials conducted a raid in the Suraj Vallabhdas Chawl area and seized a large stock of domestic and commercial LPG cylinders that were allegedly being illegally stored and sold at inflated prices. Authorities recovered dozens of filled and empty cylinders of different sizes, which were reportedly being refilled and supplied in the black market. Officials have warned that storing gas cylinders inside residential areas is extremely dangerous, and all the seized cylinders have now been handed over to the Worli police station for further investigation.